How is it going, guys? This is a record streak for me in months, at least 3 months. I don't think I've posted 2 videos in a row. Maybe 2 months, I don't know. But someone literally, I just posted a video now, like from yesterday that I made, and someone asked me to do a shop tour. I'm not gonna pretend it was a lot of people, but it was one guy, and he was like, yo, you should do a shop tour of the loft and whatever. So I'll just do a full shop tour, so you know. Yes, so welcome to my crib. You guys have been here before, but if you haven't, this is my welder. That's a torque wrench, snap-on. It's not mine, but you know, shout out Don for never using it and just letting me keep it here. This is a jack. This is welding helmet. This is my 2003 Nissan 350Z. This is my 1992 Honda Prelude. This is the exhaust that used to be on the Z. Looks a lot longer with it not in the car. It's an oil stain. That's a slightly drier oil stain. Now you come back here. I have these shelves that has a various assortment of things there. It may look a little bit messy, but I know where everything is. You know, I know in general which boxes everything's in and which side all my stuff's on. And people asking about the exhaust, I still haven't used it. We're trying to put that on Callie's car when we turbo it because it's a full exhaust. Yeah, so I had to build these shelves because I wanted to fit 2 cars in here, and as you can see, not much room on that side, and not much room on this side. So basically, you really got to pick which one you need more space for if you plan on working on the other one as well. But yeah, so that's just garbage because I just cleaned out the shop. If you guys didn't see that video, I got some paint guns over here that I'm definitely gonna have to use. Back here, I just have like, that's like old oil and stuff that I gotta bring to AutoZone. Well, I backed up really far, huh? I wanted it to be even with the Z. Got some wheels, got some other wheels and tires, you know, the business. It used to be a table. I made a table with hinges and this chain up here that you can just unhook and pull it down. I won't be doing that because it's heavy. Shop's pretty decently clean right now. This is my cool sparkly paint. This is my toolbox. You know, you guys probably would like this. This just feels weird because it's like I'm explaining to you guys what my shop is, even though it's in damn near every one of my videos. But I don't really walk around it that much. I'm just kind of like working on something up there, or I think I showed up there maybe the first time. I don't really go up there and film. Anyways, I'll do a toolbox tour because the other day when I cleaned the shop, I said I was going to go ahead and go through all of my tools, which I still do have a couple of them that need to be put away. Like these are Ronnie's. I was like, yo, I'm gonna set those aside because I don't want to be putting them in my box. But I went through all my tools. Everything's in my toolbox. Besides maybe like a couple power tools. But yeah, so toolbox tour. So up here I have the battery for the Mako gun. It's a 3/8 gun. Needle scale, flashlight, you know, just miscellaneous stuff. This because, you know, you never know. Hub, wheel bearing, some Teflon tape, some these are actually, yeah, I was about to say, these are actually Cummins branded things. These are all drill bits and Allen keys, so that stuff stays in there. I got a voltmeter, got my 2 of my hitch balls, got a power probe here that was sent to me by an awesome subscriber, so thank you for that. Moving on from the top part, this here, I missed it. This here is ratchets and extensions, and there's a couple ratchets missing from here because they're up front. This here I have, this is pretty much, these are all coilover wrenches, like spanners, whatever you want to call it. I know you guys call these spanners in like other countries, so I just call these like open-ended wrenches. I call these spanners, you know, to each their own. But these are all just like extra standard sockets that didn't fit on the socket trays, and these are all just my standard wrenches because I don't, or standard SAE, whatever you want to call it. I didn't really need to put those in with my other wrenches because I have so many metric ones. Here, I got pliers, so I got Chanel locks, I got, you know, vice grips, these little jammies over here, some needle nose, some cutting apparatuses on this side. So that's what that drawer looks like. This here, it's all screwdrivers, you know, flatheads to the universal ones, whatever, in the middle. And then all of these are Phillips. That's definitely not mine. I just kind of put it in there because it's definitely Ronnie's. Next drawer, wrenches. So I have like 3 sets of Pittsburgh, like Harbor Freight ones. I don't know where Hyper Tough comes from, and Duralast. So these are all the Duralast. These are all the Hyper Tough. This is the other Pittsburgh. And yeah, it's pretty much all that. These are Pittsburgh and Gear Wrench, and there's like a couple Craftsman random ones. This is just like over the years, you know, you just kind of accumulate shit, and you don't realize how much you have until you clean. So go clean your shop during this damn lockdown, garage, whatever you have, your toolbox. Go organize it. Next drawer, these are, you know, just the Harbor Freight socket things. I actually had enough sockets to completely fill this one and almost fill this one besides my 14. So this is 1/2 inch, 3/8. These are all 12 points I have, so, you know, whenever you're looking for those, it's kind of annoying to sift through all these sockets that are just loose and find those. So I'm keeping all of my 12 points right here. They're all the, you know, important ones. 19, 17, 14. Those are all the important jammies. Got some specialty tools, you know what I'm saying? Like, you got a little... That's pretty much the only one. But these are all the little Gary sockets, whatever you want to call them. Larry Scaries. Get back over there. And these are all just extra metric sockets. These are a bunch of wheel keys, pickle forks, and spoons for tires, dirt bike tires, crank tool for a Honda. That's what's in that drawer. This drawer, finally got around to putting everything on socket trays, and I didn't realize I had this many tools. It's actually not that bad, but this is all the standard tools, anything that I could fit on there. That's obviously not a 27, but I just wanted to put these 2 there. This is, so 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, or no. So 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/8, 3/8, 1/8, 1/8, and standard metric, standard metric, standard metric. And yeah, these are just adapters. Axle sockets, a 36. O2 sensor socket, which, to be fair, I don't really use much. Some little Allen key jammies here. And the last drawer, it's nothing too crazy. I just got the Matco gun and a couple other things. I still have room. Like, I still could not just do this. I could have more things in here, but, you know, everything was pretty organized, so I didn't really need to go crazy with the last drawer. Pretty much nothing on this side. I just have like this little thing over here, kind of goes up and around and plugs into this. That has like a power strip in it, and that's where I have a charger for that. I do have another one, but the cord is cut off of it for whatever reason. I don't know why. There's just a bunch of stuff that I have to, you know, put into boxes and sort still. I know there's probably 0 new viewers here, and yeah, so you guys have probably all seen this, but project that's been put on hold that will continue soon is the daily driver. Again, I don't know why I'm showing this, why I'm doing this video at all. Probably because I'm really bored. I have an idea for a video that I'm kind of passionate about that I'm going to film right after this. So, you know, tomorrow you guys just might have another something to watch along with your other scheduled programmed YouTubers or whatever. But I think that's about it for down here. So that's the far view or whatever. I burned this E into there. This is a custom touch. You go up these here stairs, and if you guys have a non-insulated shop, let me tell you, this is a good it's a good method, at least a good temporary one. I would like to block this off with like maybe just make like a plywood room out of it, just because it would hold heat a lot better. Over here, just like I didn't clean any of this before taping or whatever, recording. Some LS heads, some LS gaskets, some JDM Prelude headlights that I'm never going to use, but I'm also never going to sell. I will sell these door handles though, you know. 4th gen people hit me up. Just random stuff on these shelves, you know. Nothing too crazy. Just storage. A subscriber sent me this other shelf right here, which I'm not using that much, but when I clean up the stuff that's down there that I just showed you that's next to my box, I'm gonna have to reorganize all this stuff. This is the chill spot slash editing slash hookah lounge, all of that. So let me show you guys what it looks like in here. Again, I don't know if this is interesting. If this is interesting, let me know. If the video sucks, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to put something out there because I'm incredibly bored. I saw one comment and I was like, all right, cool. It's also pretty dark in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the flash on. You walk in, whatever. Like I said, I didn't clean any of this up, so you know. Sorry if it's a little messy, you know. So basically, I have this fridge over here, you know. Got some snacks and such on top. Just a bunch of stuff. You know, I got soap. I got everything. This is the couch from the old Haggard apartment. It's Don's hookah. That's mine. As you can see, everything is plasticked, and I reused the plastic from when we painted the car in here. So, yeah, it stays pretty warm in here. And for warmth, I use this thing. Just a propane heater, and then if it gets a little bit too cold, I'll use this thing because the heater on it actually doesn't work, like the actual coils don't work. So what I do is I just turn on the fan function and like point it basically into here so it blows the heat more, because this is just like infrared pretty much, but when I do that it gets it going pretty good. TV, you know, I got I got a Roku TV. It's like a 50 something. I don't know. I got it at Best Buy. It works good. It works nice. I can use that with my hotspot, or I could just use this. You plug a charger into it and an HDMI, and you could just kind of mirror your phone, but it's not actually mirroring because YouTube, like, I don't know. You guys understand kind of what's going on here. You can play your phone on a TV without without spending your hotspot basically, because I only have 50 gigs on Sprint. Sprint sucks ass, but yeah, I have that as well. We just have some shisha, you know, the business. I got a piston over here chilling. I got some, you know, stay safe out there. I think this is the last pack in Walmart. Yeah, but these are nice because you just friggin', if I ever go to my car or whatever, I'd take one out, wipe the steering wheel, wipe my hands, throw it away. Not on the ground, by the way. You know, don't be disgusting goddamn pigs throwing your gloves in the Walmart parking lot. But these are good to have. This one and this one are still unopened. This one's like, it's pretty far through, whatever. But, you know, in the crisis we're going through, these are great to have because, yeah, kills all the things. Shout out to Walmart, great value. And over here, if you were wondering what this was, this is just to clean the hookahs out, and this is coals. That's pretty much it. Toaster oven, light. I do have other lights, but it's just too bright in here with all those, so I just use this one little lamp. And on this table, I just have my GoPro, some change, charger, a screwdriver that needs to go down there. My laptop, which is a Lenovo IdeaPad. And this is what I use to edit everything that I post. Yeah, really isn't too crazy. Sony Vegas 17. I'm done with this video. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and if you're new here, I hope some people watch this video that are new, because to my recurring homies, this might be a little bit redundant because you might have seen everything already. I mean, not everything, because I just did a lot of this stuff, but yeah, yeah, I don't know. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you have. Peace out.